some basics of PNC. I asked you to select any two of your favorite cricketers among the legends. Some of you may be hearing these names for the first time. Now, it can be Sachin Kapil, Sachin Vivian, Sachin Don, Brian Sachin. Brian and Sachin. Look now. Sachin Kapil and Kapil Sachin is same. So with Kapil we have got Kapil Vivian, Kapil Don and Kapil Brian. Look, Vivian is already paired with Sachin and Kapil. So what we have got is Vivian Don, Vivian Brian and Don Brian. Brian is paired with everyone. Brian is paired with everyone. Now, for these kind of total, what we have got is 10 selections. We have got 10 different pairs. So whenever somebody gives us n different choices and asks us to make a team of our choices, what we call it is a combination. We have to create out of n things a combination, a pair, a group of our things. Here is just combination. Sachin first, Kapil later, and Kapil first and Sachin later is same. Is just the group selection. The standard result is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. Now what is factorial? For those who do not know what is factorial, if I say 4 factorial, you multiply from 4 till 1. If I say 7 factorial, 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. That's what is factorial. So now here I had given you 5 choices, out of which I asked you to select a group of 2 people. What we do is n is 5, r is 2. So what all we get here is, now standard, what I have explained is about factorial here. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 to 1 to 1. Now later on you can cancel it, only 3 to 1, 3 to 1 cancel. We know this 2 twos are 4, it will get cancelled, and the standard final answer we'll get is 10. And so we get here 10. That's what we got here. We wrote it and we got 10 different. Look here, who came first and who came second did not matter out of n selection of r. Now, but now I told you rank them also. Look, I may like to have my own favorites, but you may have your own favorites. Here we had got 10 different groups. 10 different groups we have got. But keep in mind, Sachin first and Kapil second, and Kapil first and Sachin second is not same now. It's different. This is different. Here it was same. Now when we try to arrange them, it's going to be different. But first of all we selected 10. Now we have to arrange them also. Just selection is combination. If selection and arrangement is there, technically it's called permutation. Forget about all these technical names. Let's say I have got 3 persons and 3 chairs and I need to arrange them. Or let's say I selected 3 of them and I have to arrange them 1, 2, 3. Let's say I selected Kapil, Vivian and Don. So it can be, I have selected Kapil, Vivian and Don. It can be Don, the legendary Don Bradman. All these are, but forget about them. Don, Vivian and Kapil. It can be Don, Kapil, Vivian. It can be Vivian, Kapil, Don. It can be Vivian, Don, Kapil. It can be Kapil, Vivian, Don. Kapil, Don, Vivian. After selecting, let's say I selected these 3. I'm just trying to arrange them. Total we have got 6 arrangement. How it works is, if Don comes, it can be Vivian, Kapil. If Vivian comes, it can be Kapil, Don. If Kapil comes. So first place, any one of the 3 will come on the first place. Any one of the 3. Any one of the 3 can be at the first place. Now, if Kapil is first, anyone comes first. Second place we have got 2 choices. Second place we have got two choices. If Don comes, Vivian Kapil, Vivian comes, Don Kapil. So every one of them. Now lastly we are left out with only one. Three things at three places can be arranged in 3 factorial ways. Standard result: n things at n places can be arranged in n factorial ways. Look, here we have to select 2, here we have to select 2, and we have to arrange 2 also. So what all we'll be doing here is, out of 5, first we will select 2. 10 different pairs we will get. Now these 10 different pairs, it can be Vivian Kapil, Kapil Don, but in each pair, Vivian Kapil, Kapil Vivian. First, second, Kapil Don, Don Kapil. In every case, we have to arrange them. So every case, out of these 5C to 10 combinations, it can be Don Brand, Don Brand, Brand Don. So every case we will have 2 arrangements possible, selection and arrangement. Whenever we get and in permutation combination, we multiply. For each one of these 10 cases, we will have 2 arrangements. This is permutation, technical name, forget about it. We first selected 2 and then we arrange first, second, second, first. So we have got 20 cases. N things at n places can be arranged in n factorial ways. Now let's say I ask you to select 3 favorite dishes among these 7: pani puri, pizza, samosa, dosa, noodles, anyways, chaat, and you may not know what this WB is there. Later on I'll tell you. Now it can be pani puri, pizza, samosa. It can be pani puri, chaat, WB. It can be WB, noodles, and the dosa. I have not asked you to put a sequence here. So simply what we do is, out of 7 dishes, select any 3, 7 factorial upon 4 factorial into 3 factorial. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. A bit of shortcut we'll talk now. 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. So later on what you should start doing is, now 7, 6, 5. We know now this 4, 3, 2, 1 will get cancelled. So write it as it is, 4 factorial. 4, 3, 2, 1 will get cancelled. 3, 2, 1 getting cancelled. We get 6 cancelled. 35. So tell me what this WB is all about. Varan Bhat. We all know how many days we'll eat pani puris and pizzas. Finally we need some solid stuff. So what all we need is, out of 7 we need to select any 3. How many different combinations are there? Look, sequencing is not to be done, just the selection. It can be dosa, samosa, noodle, no sequencing to be done. So 35 different combinations will be there. But again, if I tell you, if you select, let's say you select samosa, dosa, and our own Varan Bhat, then what all we need is, it can be WB dosa samosa, WB samosa dosa, dosa samosa, so such, dosa WB samosa, you know, but I need to write it, samosa WB dosa, samosa dosa WB. So total 6 such cases are there, 6 arrangements. So what we know is, first out of 7 we need to select 3. We know 35 combinations we have got. But after selecting, I told you, no, you need to put it a sequencing for that. First preference, second preference, third preference. For everything now, out of 7 selection of any 3, just we have done. So what we know is 35. But again, 3 things at 3 places can be arranged in 3 factorial 6 ways. So total such selection and arrangement, 210 different selection and arrangements will be there. Now I asked you select any 3 ice cream flavors out of 12. Simply what we need to do is 12C3, 12 factorial upon 9 factorial into 3 factorial. Now you know 12, 11, 10, 9 to 1 and 9 to 1 will get cancelled. this 9 to 1, 9 factorial, this 9 to 1, 9 factorial will get cancelled, 3 to 1, so this part will get cancelled here, 3 to 1, this we need to cancel it rather than making it messy. You know 3 4s are 6 2s are, so final answer will be 220 different. But if I need to tell you that arrange them, that your first favorite mango, then chocolate, then some pineapple or something, if I ask you to select and name them, then you will do. This thing is, right now I had asked you just to select. If I ask you select and put an order of preferences, this is about ordering. I had not asked you. We'll finish up the basic concepts with this. You want to make your own cricket team. Every time we feel we should have taken this, we should have asked him to come at 3rd place, 5th place and all that. Out of 16 shortlisted, any 11 players and put them to order also. If I tell you just select the team 16 C11, this is just the selection of 11 players. But I told you 11 player need to be arranged also. Who comes first, who comes second. So after arrangement, 11 players, Virat first, Dhawan second, Rohit third and all that are arrangements. So this is selection and arrangement of the batting order. I hope basics we have done. Some standard results I'll write for you. If I tell you NC0, it's 1. NCN, it's 1. Means if I tell you out of 5 cricketers, you should not select any one of them. 0 selection, not selecting anyone, 1 way. Out of 5, you want to select all the 5, again it's 1 way. Standard result, mug it up so later on you can use it. NCN minus 1, it's N, means if out of 5 you want to select 4, 5 ways. Standard results later on will be very useful. And if I tell you out of N select 1, again N, let's say out of 5 any one you want to select, 5 ways. Standard results.